YouTube, we got my boy Dion back in the chair. It's been months and months and months since I cut his hair, man, but he's back. The reason he's been out, because, you know what I'm saying, he been out, you know what I'm saying, because he had a child on the way. So congratulations to my boy, you know what I'm saying, and, you know, he been doing daddy things. So let's just get into the video. I usually don't do it like this, but I'm just going to do it because, you know, this is what I do when I'm not recording. I punch my first initial guideline on my wall hobbies, then I come back with my beveless FX1. Now on the corner of his vertical bar, it's a little bit darker right there, so I had to go against the grain, like going towards the back of his head, because, you know what I'm saying, his hair grows funny. And right now I have my one open, and, you know, I just started, you know what I'm saying, clear out that area before I come back with my 1.5. So actually, I'm just trying to, you know, debulk and work my way back down. In any haircut that you do, man, detail is the most important thing, man. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, you adjust your clippers as needed and work with them corners, man. And then, you know what I'm saying, if you want to refer back to the guards that you were using previously, remember to always go back to them exact guards and work within that area that you used to guard in. Alright guys, the back is exactly like the sides, man, but you know what I'm saying, I'm making it like kind of like a low high taper fade at the back. So because his hair actually grows thinner at the nape area, and right there, the occipital bone area, his hair is a little bit thicker right there. So I had to get that 2 guard, and I had to, you know what I'm saying, work my way down until I got to that 1.5 guard. Then I had to, you know what I'm saying, adjust. Then I came back and I did a little adjustment with the 1.5, just, you know what I'm saying, make sure everything ties in as one. I didn't want to make this tutorial too long, man, so I had to slow it down right here just to show you guys what I'm about to tell you. All right, right there on this right side, you see that he have a receding hairline, and he asked me to, you know, get it as close as possible so it won't look like it's pushed back. I told him, hey man, I'm gonna save you. So you can see the right side is a little bit higher than the left side. So I'm just actually knocking the hair down even so I can start the edge-up process. All right now guys, before y'all try to burn me up in the comment section, I wanted to show y'all got this right here. Y'all see his actual edge up, and you can see where the cowlicks is at. So he actually asked me to kind of like get a little thick with the enhancements. So hey man, that's my customer, he asked for it, so I gave it to him. So I just want to let you guys know it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? It's always the client's decision on what he wants.